Good morning, friends. I hope all are happy. Today is my lecture on chemistry of group 13 elements. Myself, Praveen Kadam, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Karideri Bosli College, Guhagar. All of you know this is a periodic table. This periodic table represents as 118 element. These all elements arranged as 18th group and 7th periods. Periodic table was first developed by scientist Mendeleev in 1869. This arrangement of elements depends upon the molecular weight, but some drawbacks will be created. The one drawback I have mentioned here is isotopes. What is the isotope? Is the same atomic number but different mass number. I have to give one some examples of the hydrogen is a three isotopes, oxygen is a two isotope. Sorry, oxygen is a three isotopes, nitrogen is a two isotopes. Therefore, it will be created as new modern periodic table. You can also modern periodic table. These are developed by Moseley. This arrangement of elements depends upon the atomic number. Atomic number 1 to atomic number 118. How will you classify the periodic table? Periodic table are classified into four types. First is a S block element, second is a P block element, third is a D block element, and fourth is a F block element. You can study in the F5BSc is S block element. There are present first group of element and second group of element. In this year, in this semester, we can discuss about the P block elements. Therefore, I have to write here position of P block in periodic table. Position of P block in periodic table in the right hand side. And today's lecture on the chemistry of group 13 element. This is present is the boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, and thalliums. What are the P block elements? Are those element last electron enters in the NP orbital is known as a P block element. What is the N? N is the principal quantum number. If your period is a change, N value will be changed. Do not take as N is equal to, you can take as N is equal to 1, 2, 3. So do not take as N is equal to 0. In this P block element are present is the sixth group of element. These are starting from 13th group to the 18th group of element. 13th group of element is also known as boron family. 14th group of element are also known as a carbon family. 15th group of element is also known as a nitrogen family. 16th group of element is also known as a chalcogen family. 17th group of element is known as halogen family. And 18th group of element are also known as inert gas element or noble gas elements. We can focus on chemistry of group 13 elements. This is your chapter name, and this is also known as a boron family. In examination, ask this question. Write a electronic configuration of 13th group of elements. I have to explain here. There are present as 5 elements. First is boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, and thallium. Detail discuss each element. You can take an as boron. Its symbol is capital B. Atomic number is a 5. How will write its electronic configuration? There are two types of electronic configuration will be right. The first is you can start now 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, or it will be right is outer electronic configuration. How will write is outer electronic configuration? If your atomic number 5, it's a less atomic number which element are present in the inert gas element. So here is a helium. Helium is atomic number 2. It is an inert gas element. It is unstable. it is not a reactive. Therefore, you can write in square bracket helium. Its atomic number 2, remaining electron you can show here 2s2 2p1. As atomic number is equal to number of electrons. This atomic number is 5. There are present is a number of electron is a 5. We can write its electronic configuration is a square bracket is helium 2s2 2p1. We can apply same for the remaining examples, remaining elements. Hel Aluminium, it's a symbol Al, atomic number is a 13. Same as it is, atomic number 13 is a less atomic number are present in your periodic table. Means in the noble gas element is a neon, its atomic number is a 10, remaining electron distribution is 3s to 3p1. Then you can take an as a gallium, the symbol is a Ga, atomic number is 31, electronic configuration take as square bracket is Ar means argon, its atomic number is 18, remaining electron distributed 3d10 4s2 4p1. Then you can take an as indium, its symbol is capital I small a, atomic number is 49. How will write electronic configuration? Is outer electronic configuration is square bracket Kr means krypton, atomic number is 36. Remaining electron will be distributed 4d10 5s to 5p1. Thallium Tl, atomic number is 81. Before inert element is a Xe means xenon. Remaining electron 4f 5d 10 6s to 6p1. The 13th group of element general electronic configuration is ns2 np1. You can hear ns2 np1. Each element is the last cell present is a 2 electron in s orbital and 1 electron in the p orbital. But it changes the n value 2 3 4 5 6. N is a principal quantum number. It will be n is equal to 1 2 3 up to the 7. You can show here this slide of the 13th group of elements in whole periodic tables. Physical properties. First you can take as atomic radii. How will you calculate atomic radii of each element? I have taken one example of the boron. Boron is atomic number is a 5. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1. You can distribute electron. K cell are 2 electron and L cell are 3 electrons. You can calculate its atomic radii, the distance between nucleus and last cell. Is your atomic radii. The atomic radii increases from boron to thallium. You can mention here boron is 88 and thallium is 170. Why? Because atomic number increases, atomic size increases, therefore number of cell are increases and automatically its atomic radii will be increases. Therefore I have to write here the atomic radii increases from down the group from boron to thallium. But boron to aluminum and aluminum to gallium. Boron to aluminum is a large gradually increase 88 to 143 its atomic radii, but then decreases. Therefore I have to mention here abrupt increase. Abnormally increase the atomic radii. Why? Because it is a greater screening effect of aluminum than boron. Ionization enthalpy. What is the ionization enthalpy? The amount of energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atom is known as the ionization enthalpy. In simple meaning, how many amount of energy required to remove one electron from atom, from element. If you can remove one electron, this is first ionization energy. If you can remove second electron, this is second ionization energy. And if you remove third electron, this is the third ionization energy. Here the first ionization enthalpies of this element are less than the corresponding value of S block element. We can compare it. S is a present maximum 2 electrons and this is very stable, and P is a present maximum 6 electron. But in your example, in your general electronic configuration, P is a present 1 electron, and its stability will be formed required for 5 electrons. But do not take easily as a 5 electron. It will be removed as 1 electron. Therefore, its ionization energy is very less comparatively for the S block element. This is because P electrons are less penetrating and more shielded than the S electrons. You can just hear ionization enthalpy along the group from boron to thallium is atomic number increases, atomic size increases, but ionization enthalpy is decreases. Electronegativity, the capacity accept electron itself. You can apply for the 13th group of element. Down the group, electronegativity first decreases from boron to aluminum and then increases till thallium. Keep in mind. This is because of the difference in atomic size of element. You can compare it boron to aluminum. Boron is 2.0, aluminum is 1.5. But boron to aluminum is electron decreases. But gallium to thallium is slightly increases. Boron is extremely hard and black in colored solid, which exists in many allotropic forms. This line is very important. This sentence is very important. This question is asked in examination for the boron, color, their properties. Density. How we calculate density? Density is equal to mass divided by volume. We can apply for 13th group of element. It increases from boron to thallium due to the increased size of atom. As a boron to thallium atomic number increases, number of cell are increases, therefore its atomic size increases. And atomic size increases is the density gradually increases. Just here boron is 2.35, thallium is 11.85. We can discuss about metallic character. Before we can discuss about the p block element, are very interesting study. P block elements are present metal, non-metal and metalloids. But you can apply for only 13th group of elements. Therefore, you can discuss it. The element of boron family are less metallic or electropositive as compared to 2. Or moving down the group, or we can write it along the group. The metallic character increases initially from boron to aluminum, but decreases from aluminum to thallium. This is very interesting. Boron to aluminum metallic character increases because aluminum is a metal, but decreases from aluminum to thallium. It shows the properties metallic character. Oxidation state. This is very important. How will you calculate oxidation state? Because first you know about as oxidation. In inorganic chemistry, its definition is different. It's a removal of electron. Do not write addition of oxygen. Only removal of loss of electrons. First of all, general electronic configuration of 13th group of element NS2 NP1. S is present 2 electron and P is present 1 electron. Total electron is 3. The elements of boron family have NS2 NP1 configuration, which means that they have 3 valence electrons available for bond formation. By losing these electrons, they are accepted to show +3 state oxidation state in the compounds. Means last cell are present 3 electrons. They are available for bonding for 3 orbitals, and it will be loses 3 electron and it will be created as a oxidation state is a +3. Therefore, boron family will show as a +3 oxidation state. As a melting point, do not write directly as a gradually or decreasing, gradually increasing or gradually decreasing. This is very, I have to show erratic variation. Erratic variation means abnormally we can show as a melting point of the 13th group of elements. Boron is a 2300 degrees Celsius, aluminum is 660. Gallium is a very low melting point. Your room temperature is a 27 to 35 degrees Celsius, but here is a gallium is a 29.78 degrees Celsius. Therefore, indium is a 152.6 and thallium is a 303. Firstly decreases, then increases melting point of 13th group of elements. Another property is melting point of gallium is very low and it is reflected in unusual structures. Do not write its structure. Do not mind as the structure is a constant. It is unusual structures. General trend down the groove from non-metallic to metallic character. Inner fair effect. Inner fair effect. You can understand it. This is very important. And this inner fair effect. What is inner pair effect? Reluctance of ns2 electron to take part in bonding due to the poor shielding effect of intervening d and f orbital on moving down the groove is known as inner pair effect. Means in the 30th group of element are present, last cell is present s orbital and p orbital. S is present 2 electron, p is present 1 electron. S orbital is maximum 2 electron fill up. It is a stable state. P is present only 1 electron. Last cell is present 3 electron. Therefore, it will be formed as a bond. Is 3 valence electron. But in the reluctance of ns2 electrons, means it is not very happy to do not take part in the bonding. Therefore, reluctance, it is also noted for the resistance of ns2 electron. Therefore, along the group from boron to thallium, oxidation state is decreases. First of all, boron will be shown as a plus 3, but thallium will be shown as a plus 1 because inner pair effect. Therefore, I have to show here as like this. Inner pair effect is the resistance or reluctance of s electron to get unpaired or take part in the covalent bonding. It is not very happy to take part in the bonding. Therefore, its oxidation state decreases from boron to thallium. Electron deficient compounds. This is also known as a Lewis acid character. The simple definition, accept a pair of electrons. This is also known as Lewis acid. Some examples you know, but we can discuss only 13th group of elements. Because of their electron deficient nature, M plus 3 compound have formally vacant n pitch head orbital and usually act as Lewis acid electron acceptor. As you know, its boron is Ns2s2 2p1. I take as one example in the boron family. I take as boron, its atomic number is 5 electron configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1. Last cell is present 2s2 and 2p1. First cell is completed, it is unstable. Therefore, do not take part in the bonding. Only take part in the bonding ns2 np1. The ground state electronic configuration is ns2 2p1. Excited state electronic configuration is 2s1 2p2. But p is a present 3 orbital px and px py pz. Px 2s or 2s orbital px py orbital take part in the bonding. Another pz orbital is a vacant and they will be acquired for pair of electron. Therefore, it will be deficiency created, and this is also noted for the electron deficient compounds of the 13th group of elements. And I have to show as a diagram M is a three bonding nature and another is a vacant orbitals. Here, this is take part in the bonding 1, 2s orbital, 2px, 2py. But pz orbital is a vacant and therefore it is noted for the electron deficient compound and this is also known as the Lewis acid character. Halides of group 13 elements. All elements form trihalides. They are non-polar with trigonal planar shape. We can discuss later. The halides of boron are BX3 are all are volatile. Means X is halogens. Boron will be formed with the all halogen element from fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All are volatile means its melting point is very low, highly reactive, not stable. Covalently bonded molecular compounds are and are gases. BX3 are Lewis acid. Before we can discuss and the order of their Lewis acidity strength. Ask in examination, keep in mind this point. BF3 is less than BCl3 is less than BBr3. But in contrary to the order of electronegativity of the attached halogens, as a in the periodic table, fluorine is a more electronegative atom, most electronegative atom. Its electronegativity is 4.0, and in the halogen, fluorine to bromine, its electronegativity decreases. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Fluorine is the highest electronegative, most electronegative atom, but in the Lewis acidity strength is different. BF3, then BCl3, then BBr3. BX3 are trigonal planar and monomeric. It is not a dimeric, but BS3 is not a monomeric. This is B2S6 is a dimeric. Keep in mind, ask in examination on geometry of the BX3. BX3 means X you can take as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Therefore, not different number of structures will be formed. In the BX3, this is B, and this example is a bromine. You can take as a bromine, Br, Br, Br. You can determine its geometry of the BBr3. You can write its ground state electronic configuration, then excited state electronic configuration, and then hybridized state. We will get its geometry is a trigonal planars. Thank you. Have a nice day.